Hi everyone, my name is Steph. Today we're going to see what Maono sent us, and I would like to say thanks to Mandy. The mic that I want to talk to you about is a microphone that it's not too expensive and that you will love for the size and its performance. This mic is plug and play. If you want to hear yourself at the same time, you just have to modify your setting. Let's do the unbox. You can see in front of the box, we show you the model au-pm461t like Thomas. In the back, they show you some feature. So let's open it. We're going to see what exactly we have inside. Oh, user manual, and look at that. I want to show you something. They show you exactly what you have inside, and they show you how to do the setup. So what I'm going to do exactly, I'm going to build everything all together. So I'm not going to tell you all the part we have, but this guy here, when I saw it, I said, yeah, this is nice. It's metal, and you can see the sign in the front for Maono, always orange. That's the color they use. This is a cardio mic, so it's in front. You need to speak here in front where you have your volume. The feet, metal. Oh, this guy is metal feet. The length of the cable is 60-inch. Okay, so let's put everything all together. It's not long, it's easy. You're going to see it's not hard, it's really easy to put everything all together. A kid can put everything together if he wants. The only thing is missing is the sound, like Mission Impossible. Et voilà. I'm just going to adjust the microphone. Let's put it here. Et voilà, like that. The cable. You can adjust the stand. The height is between 4.9 to 7.8 of length. Let me show you something else. This is the cable. Just to be sure you plug it in the right way, you're going to see a M on top. So just plug it in like that and use the cable Maono. Just to be sure, just to be safe, so like that your microphone is going to play. Wait, I'm not in the right place. Perfect. And now let's do the sound test. Okay, so this is the sound test. What I'm going to do, I'm going to bring the microphone all the way down. So like that, you're going to see my lip. And now what I'm going to do, I put the volume at 1/4, and now it's going to be at half. And when you reach half on the volume, you're going to feel like not a click, but like yeah, if you want, like a click if you want. And And now I'm going to put it on, wait, 3/4, and now it's full all the way up. And pepperoni. I love my pepperoni and pizza. So I hope you like the sound. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to the video. What I like about this microphone is it's lightweight, and if you need to travel, you can. Oh, sorry. Wait, I need to do something. Okay. And when it's time to travel, it's easy to put it all together, and that's the thing I like about this microphone. I hope you like this video about this microphone, that PM461t like Thomas. If you like it, you can always share it to your friend, to your family, to anybody you want. And please don't forget to do a like, and like always, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in another one.